Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to act now. Confirm Windows 10/11 and updated GPU drivers so animation runs smoothly. Once done, install the Steam client and sign in, make the purchase of Wallpaper Engine or get it from your library. After buying, click Install and let Steam finish. This installs the only supported app we'll use. Launch Wallpaper Engine for the first time so it initializes files and permissions. This first run prepares rendering settings and access to the workshop, where live wallpapers are stored. You'll now pick and configure the live wallpaper. Open the Workshop tab or hit Import to add a local animated file. Once selected, click Apply. Make sure to assign the wallpaper to the correct monitor if you have multiple displays. Next, open Properties to choose Resolution, FPS, and Quality. Lower these for battery life or weak GPUs. Also enable or disable audio visualizers and set whether the wallpaper pauses on battery. These steps control how it looks and how much system power it uses. Finish by saving your configuration and enabling Start with Windows so the live wallpaper loads automatically. Confirm the wallpaper is active on your desktop and use the lock screen or pause options if you need static power saving. If playback fails, first update your GPU driver and set Windows Power Plan to balanced or high performance, then run Wallpaper Engine as administrator to allow composition. If animation still won't start, reduce FPS or resolution. This isolates GPU limits and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.